are the Adidas Advantage sneakers. These are the perfect shoe for spring and summer because they feature a minimal white leather design that is versatile and chic. These are similar to the Adidas Stan Smith sneakers, but they cost way less and give the same vibe. They retail for $65 but are currently on sale on adidas.com for $46. I plan on pairing these with jeans, cropped trousers, and even shorts. They are the right balance between sporty and chic. I would even rock these with a suit and a t-shirt. These are the perfect white sneakers that go with anything. I am digging these and I look forward to rocking these all spring and summer long as soon as outside opens back up. But until then, I will be in my house rocking them for you guys. Number 2 is frozen DragonFruit. I stumbled upon these in the grocery store as I was looking for a new fruit to spruce up my smoothies, and I am so glad that I gave these a try. The flavor profile is like a less sweet kiwi, but the color is vibrant. It has a mild flavor, which makes it great for smoothies. Fave number 3 is my AD magazine subscription. Architectural Digest is a vibrant monthly magazine of international design talent, innovative homes and products, inspiring decorating ideas, culture, and travel. Basically all the things that I love wrapped up into a beautifully designed magazine. This also makes great coffee table decor in my home, so I'm super excited to have this subscription and I'm looking forward to learning more about homes and design. Item number 4 is a sophisticated take on an industrial design. This table lamp lends a touch of buttoned up appeal to your room's aesthetic. I just flipped a switch. Flip. Made from iron in a handsome matte black finish, this charming design showcases a tubular metal body, a chunky certal pedestal base, and an exposed bulb encompassed in a clean-cut cylindrical clear glass shade. Add this alluring lamp to your nightstand or desk to illuminate your late night work sessions in a warm glow. Last but not least are the Ikea Bumerang wooden hangers. These wooden hangers come in a pack of 8 for $4.49. The solid wood adds a genuine sense of style to my closet, and they are strong enough to hold heavier clothes like coats and heavy sweaters. So I'm really excited that I have these to add to my collection. That's it for this month's episode of Fave 5 March. Feel free to catch up on previous episodes here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and to click the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. I leave you in love, peace, and style. I'm Lonnie, and these are Lonnie's lessons. Until next time. Bye.